Hi, this is Eileen from Materialise Belgium. In this tutorial video, we'll talk about creating and customizing build platforms in Magix. Build platforms, or scenes as they are called in Magix, are virtual representations of the building volumes in your machines. You can use these scenes to place and orientate your parts, generate support on your parts, and to run specific analyses to ensure your build is good to go. To work with scenes, you first need to add machines to your list of machines in Magix. There are two ways of adding machines to Magix, depending on whether you have a build processor or not. Build processors are software packages that are developed by Materialise in collaboration with machine vendors. Each build processor is specific to a specific brand and machine model. The build processors can convert your build into slices and prepare a job file that can be sent to your machine directly. They are fully integrated with Magix so that you can directly access a build processor from Magix and send your scene for processing. Let's start by adding machines if you don't have a build processor. You need to go to the Build Preparation ribbon and to My Machines. If you click on Add from Library, you will see another window with a wide selection of major machine brands. Select your working units, inches or millimeters, find your machine vendor, and your machine model. Then, just drag and drop it to the right-hand side. If you cannot find your machine in the list, you can either select another machine that is similar to yours, or you can start with a generic machine model, which you can find at the end of the list. We'll see later how we can modify the properties of these machines. Once you click OK, you will see your machine show up in your list of machines. Please note that if you don't have a build processor, you will need to do extra manual work to export your scene from Magix and to import it into another software for processing. Now let's see how we can add a machine if you have a build processor. If you have a build processor, you need to go to your Build Processor Manager. First, click on Add a Machine. If your machine is connected to the same computer, set your search location to local and find your machine from the list. Click on Add and follow the instructions. Your machine will show in your list of machines. If your machine is elsewhere on your network, switch to a network machine and enter the address of your machine. Once the machine is found, click on Add and follow the instructions. Once you have added your machine or machines, the workflow for modifying the properties of your machine is the same for whether you have a build processor or not. To open a new scene, go to the Build Preparation ribbon and click on New Scene. Select your machine from the drop-down list and click on OK. Go to the Build Preparation ribbon and click on Machine Properties. In the first page, General Info, you can give your machine a name, specify the material you will use, and change the shape and size of your build volume. You can configure the direction of your recoater movement and the gas flow, especially important for metal printers. You can also define overlap regions that different lasers can both access. The last but not the least, you can enter your laser parameters for build time estimations. The Machine Properties window offers you more options on other aspects of build preparation. We will discuss those in another tutorial. Thank you for watching, and please make sure you check our other tutorial videos. For further questions about our software, please don't hesitate to contact the support line of your nearest Materialise office.